Did you know that you have the power to change your life with the power of your words? You can create your own success. Just like in Genesis, when God said, let there be light, and there was light. You can speak it into becoming your reality as everything comes together for you. Here is the secret. Here is the secret. What you say, what you want to be into existence, just say it, declare it. I am successful, I am unstoppable, and watch your world change. Your words have the power to set the tone for your life. Speak positivity, speak possibility, and remember, whatever it is you focus on, if you want to focus on this world is not my own, this world is not my own, the world will not be your own. You want to focus on, I am successful, I am capable, I can do it, and you watch the universe bring it all together for you. Look at people like Oprah Winfrey. Look at born into poverty, and she spoke her words into becoming, moving from poverty into becoming a global influence and one of the greatest influential women of our time. Look at Elon Musk. I mean, thinking of the dream of Tesla, of SpaceX, and bringing all that into existence. Your success starts with your words. So talk and walk yourself into greatness. Talk and walk yourself into greatness. Are you ready? Let's go. Speak it, believe it, act it.